welcome back to the Botany Square channel. My name is Mary and today's kitchen beauty recipe will be making a milky rosemary and lavender bath soak, which is going to be so relaxing to use after a busy day at work. In the recipe I've included both milk powder as well as our Botany Squared oil, both of which are really great for nourishing and softening the skin. As you know, if you sit in the bath for a while, your skin can get a little bit like raisiny, which is because the oils in your skin are being dried out by the water. So the oil and the milk powder both help to counteract that. In addition to that, we're using both rosemary and lavender essential oils, which are very relaxing and soothing for your senses and just give that incredible smell for your bathroom. So let's get in the kitchen and I hope you enjoy the recipe.
The first thing we're going to do is turn on the oven at 100 degrees Celsius and grab a baking tray. On the baking tray, we're going to place 1.5 cups of full-fat milk powder and smooth it out so that it's all evenly distributed. We're going to put this in the oven for around 30 minutes so that it can dry out a little bit and prolong the shelf life of the bath soak a little bit. So once you've done that, you can just pop that into the oven and set a timer for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to grab some sort of nice jar you would like to use for the soak and some unscented bar soap. And we're going to grate 3/4 teaspoon of the soap into the jar. That's not a lot, so it won't take very long. And so once you've done that, we're going to place that in the jar you've chosen. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of Epsom salts and place that in there as well. You can add a teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves at this stage, a 3/4 teaspoon of a botanical oil blend, 20 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 20 drops of lavender essential oil. And mix all of that up in the cup. It's going to start to smell really wonderful already at this stage. And once you've done that, it should be roughly about the time when the milk powder has dried. It'll be smelling nice and toasty at this stage. And so you're going to add all of that into the mix of the salts and the essential oils and the soap. Mix it all together really well. Make sure that all of the bits where the essential oil and the botanical oil have mixed with the salts are also well distributed. And then if you'd like, you can add in some dried rose leaves at this stage. It'll make it look very pretty. It won't add much in terms of scent, but it will look really, really nice. And again, mix that up really nicely. And then it's time to start drawing a bath. Using the bath soak is obviously not difficult at all. Just get your bath ready for how you like to have it, maybe light a candle. And once that's all done, all you do is pour it in, watch your water turn milky, milky white, and just maybe blend it in a little bit, and then just hop on in and enjoy.
Guys, I just got out of bath using that bath soak and my skin feels so soft. That milk powder and the oil, they really just do seep into your skin, makes everything feel super, super soft. Just, you know, perfectly relaxed. I really highly recommend trying this out. As it is homemade, I would recommend highly to use it pretty quickly because it does have ingredients that will go off eventually when they interact with each other. We did dry out the milk powder in order to make it a little bit stabler, but nevertheless, I would recommend using it within a week roughly. So either, you know, dump a whole bunch of it into the bath or use it for a couple baths in a week if you're really needing some relaxation, just to ensure that the bath soak is still fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys are gonna have lots of relaxing baths. And do leave a comment below if you like this recipe and would like to see more of the same kind. Bye!